Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I just redecored my whole space with Slashop rugs and a blanket. My cat is my constant companion, no matter what I'm doing. If I'm in the middle of working, well, my cat thinks that she should be there too. I love my cat. She's a welcome distraction. I know that sooner or later off she will go to live her own life, but that's usually near me. She goes about her business, and I go about mine. Well, she's just too cute, and I have to take a break from my business and play with Mau Mau. My cozy Slashop rug is a great camp zone for me and Mau Mau. Slashop isn't just any home brand. They are a brand that's made for pet owners. Now, I have Mau Mau kitty cat, but Slashop caters to all pets and households, whether it's a doggy, a kitty, a rabbit, a hamster, any furry friend that sheds. Slashop has the products that are made in particular to repel pet hair. Oh, their designs are so stylish, like my rugs. My Mau Mau is such a shedder. That's why I chose Slashop. My whole downstairs family room and a second dining room I have just look tired. This is what I had before. I liked my couch, but I didn't like the rug I had. And there was no continuity at all. Going from the living room and then moving into the dining room where I didn't even have a rug. It was just ugly old linoleum. And then on the exterior of my house, I have a deck made up of hodgepodge of other rugs. I love an outdoor rug, but my rugs were awful and tired. I needed to redo the whole place with some continuity and bring it up to today's fashions in 2024. I researched on the internet and I saw Slashop, and they have so many different things to buy. I was so inspired, but my rugs were the first thing I was going to tackle. Look at all these things on the website. It was really fun choosing my rugs. They had all kinds of different sizes and all kinds of styles. My household is a pet household with Mau Mau. Mau Mau's hairs go everywhere, but Slashop has made their things to be pet hair resistant so they don't stick on the beddings and other things. Most households these days have pets of some sort. And with pet households, sometimes you want to have a washable rug even on top of your carpet that's already laid down. Mishaps can happen with your pets. And this is the way I protect the wall-to-wall carpeting in my living room. It is such an easy clean surface for pet owners. This really enhanced the look of my living room. It's elegant, it's stylish, and this particular rug is called the Easy Clean Rug Chic Patterned. The borders have a beautiful blue design, adding a real touch of elegance with a somewhat floral impression. It has durable double yarn edging. That's 7 millimeters thick, and that's going to withstand heavy pet traffic and children traffic on your rug. I wanted to bring some continuity to my decor, so I also wanted a rug underneath my dining room table. Let me show you. Here's the before. There was nothing, and in that space, I'm going to lay down my new dining room rug. This is a room that is a dining room. Here we have linoleum. It's been here forever. It's so durable. It looks like wood, kind of. I was so happy with Slashop to see a really beautiful rug that I think will go perfectly in this room. Let me lay it out for you. They come delivered in a square, so they're really easy to unfold. It was very practical for this rug to be folded up into this square. It makes it so easy to handle this rug. This is great to put on floors and hard surfaces. Slashop's rugs are great on hard surfaces because the back of them is a non-slip backing that's going to keep the rug in place, which makes it so it won't slide. So it adds safety for pets and children that are running around. The rug's not going to slip out from underneath them. It is a waterproof Baroque style and lightweight rug. Although mine's really large, I was able to swoosh it into the air to lay it down. And so I got on the rug and I smoothed out the seams. It has a scratch-resistant design that's going to keep it looking new. It is made from 100% polyester. And I really love the way they feel. They're almost as soft as my cat's. Wow, it's beautiful. I love the palette of the border. It adds some color, but keeping the neutrals there, which are great for camouflaging heavy traffic areas, kids, pets, dogs, and messes. I was so happy to see that Slashop has rugs that are stain resistant. Check this out. If someone were to spill a full cup of coffee It comes right up. All you need to do is put a cloth on it and pull it up with your cloth. I'm using a white cloth so you can see that it comes right into the white, leaving your rug looking exactly like you got it, with no stains left behind. And this is simply with this white cloth. I haven't even added any water on here at all. It's just picking up the coffee. This dry white washcloth is picking up all of that stain. It's not staining at all. These white washcloths that are dry are picking up all of the coffee, leaving none of it behind on the rug. And cloth number 3, just like new. Can you imagine that? That's amazing. It's all gone. There's nothing on the rag. These rags got all that coffee. Oops, I spit a little bit from this rag. It dripped on it. And it's gone. That's a new thing in rugs. Slashop has really come up with a spill-resistant rug. Yay. This is where I spilled it, and it even feels soft and dry to the touch where I wiped it up with those washcloths. That's great. Oops, another spill here underneath the coffee cup. Gone. Just like that. Slashop has put a waterproof TPR layer that's going to shield your floor from any pet mishaps as well. I just use coffee, but you get the idea. Wet messes of any kind are easy to clean. Here's a before shot of my dining area. It did not even have a rug. Now here's the after shot. Look how beautiful that rug is underneath it. It really needed that to have some warmth. Now my dining area feels like a home, ready to welcome company and kids and family to a beautiful dinner right here. And I love the runners in the high traffic areas. This is right by a door that goes inside and outside, and I want people to come in and step on the runners. And with the same pattern, the border is the same colors. It goes really well together. When this rug gets dirty, all I need to do is put it in the washing machine. It's machine washable. That means the maintenance is very hassle-free. And if there had been a pet mess, it makes it very easy to clean that by being able to machine wash it. So you can wash the rugs in the washing machine, and they're also dryable too in your dryer, but have your dryer on a setting that's not too hot. And for my back deck, I had these old rugs. They needed to be replaced. I put 2 rugs of 6x9 on my back deck. I wanted the same feeling running from the inside of my house out to my back deck. I wanted continuity. The chic pattern rug going from the inside to the outside was going to complete my home decor to a beautiful patio. I put all my furniture back on it after I laid the rugs down, and this look is just what I wanted, to be able to enjoy the space outside and have the rug design consistent from the inside to the outside. Slashop's rugs were a great addition to capture the look I was looking for. And with my deck out in nature, that rug was perfect to go with the green upholstery. It had the accent of the other colors in the border of the rug. Not only did I get beautiful rugs from Slashop, I also got a really cool plush faux rabbit fur throw blanket. One of Meow Meow's favorite places to hang out is on the soft bedding by Slashop. The fur on their blankets is even softer than Meow Meow's fur. She loves it as much as I love it. And when I'm done petting her, all the fur on the blanket just gets shaken away. It comes right off. Slashop has an emphasis in making items that they sell to be pet-friendly for households. This particular throw blanket is the plush faux rabbit fur throw blanket. It's a blend of really luxurious faux fur and feels very minky, and on each side of it, it is so soft. Slashop has developed this throw blanket with a 1000 GSM experience on both sides. You may ask, what is GSM when it comes to fabric? It's a standard used in the industry. GSM stands for grams per square meter. It's the weight of the fabric if you take a sheet of material, which is 1 meter by 1 meter square, and weigh it in grams. There are calculations that industries do when they work with material in fabrics and towels and swimsuits. And in this case, Slashop wanted a very, very thick throw blanket to keep you warm that is also very, very soft. So to arrive by that, They use the highest quality of materials to give you that 1000 GSM experience on both sides. It's not just one side that's soft. The whole blanket on both sides are the same softness, like rabbit fur. And it's not just about looks. It's durable to stand the test of time and the uses of your household, whether it's you or your kitty cat or children. The blanket will stay soft and beautiful for luxurious comfort touching your skin. They have many different colors for this throw blanket, but I like the white. When you order anything from Slashop, your items arrive right to your door. I went through layer by layer with the blanket in the back of all the rugs and took them out of the box. I got many different rugs for many other portions of my house you haven't seen in this video, but I loved them that much. I took everything out of the packages and laid them out on my kitchen counter. Here are the rugs. I inspected them and felt them. They felt so soft. Just loved the texture of them. Here's a close-up of that durable double yarn edging. This is great for rugs that are going to get lots of traffic and lots of abuse. They're not going to fray at the edges. Here I am unfolding one of the runners, and I wanted to give you a close-up of the backing. This is that non-slip backing. When you touch it, it feels like rubber. It has friction to it, so it's going to keep the rug in place. You can just tell by rubbing it. It's going to be sticking right to where you lay it. It's eco-friendly too. The materials are also eco-friendly. It doesn't smell, and that's a big thing when you buy a rug. It's not going to emit any odors that are going to be harmful to your lungs or your children's or pets' lungs as well. And all of the chic pattern rugs were made the same way as his runner. The plush faux rabbit fur throw blanket had come vacuum packed sealed, and once I opened it and put it on my counter, it fluffed right up. I got some information cards as well. Click link below to check out Slashop for all of your home decorating needs, whether it be your rugs, your blankets. I'm Rebecca Wren. Thanks for watching this video. I hope I've inspired you to do some redecor yourself. I hope you subscribe to my channel and click the link to get notified on my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is the best recipe for redecor with Slashop. Right, Meow Meow? Oh, she's gonna go to sleep right now, I can tell. See you next time. And if you like this video, here's some over there on some great recipes that are wonderful to cook and make your house smell great for the winter season. Bye now.